Hello everyone, this is Harsh and you are watching WPF World. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade your WPF application from .NET 8.0 to .NET 9.0 using .NET Upgrade Assistant. Before we begin, if you have not watched my previous video on how to upgrade a WPF app from .NET Framework 4.8 to .NET 8.0 using the .NET Upgrade Assistant, make sure to check it out first. You will find the link in the description. Let's get started. This is my existing application for inventory management system. Now let's see the .NET version of this project. Right click on project and select the property. So here you can see the target framework version, which is .NET 8.0. Now let's see version of C#. So here we have to write #error and then version, and here you can see the current version of C#. You can see here language version is 12.0. Okay. Now let's start the upgrade process. To upgrade it, right click on the project and select the upgrade from the menu. So here you will get this window. So here we have to select in place project upgrade. Let's select it. Now here if you see we have only two options, .NET 9.0 and .NET 10.0, because we already upgraded to .NET 8.0. Okay. Now let's select .NET 9.0 and click on next. Here you will see .NET 9.0 SDK is not found on the machine. So first we have to install the .NET 9.0 SDK in our machine. Okay. To install it we have to go to the link which is given here. Okay. Now let's click on this link. We can see here download .NET 9.0. As we are working on Windows system, so we will select Windows x64. Then it will start downloading. Let it download. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, let's subscribe this channel. So now download is completed. Now let's open this setup. Click on install. It will start the installation process. Now installation is completed and you can see here the following products were installed. .NET SDK 9.0.301, .NET Runtime 9.0.6, ASP.NET Core Runtime, and .NET Windows Desktop Runtime. Now let's close it. Now go to the Visual Studio and click on Next. Okay, we are not able to get this .NET 9.0. So we have to restart the Visual Studio. Here I am using Visual Studio 2022. Let's start it. Now open our project. Now right click on project and select upgrade. So here if you see we don't have option upgrade. So wait for some time, and from where we will get that upgrade option here. For that you have to first watch my previous video. Wait for some time to load this upgrade menu here. Now let's check for upgrade option. Now you can see we have upgrade option. Now let's click on upgrade. We'll select in place project upgrade, then select .NET 9.0 and then click on next. It will show the complete project with file and folder. Click on upgrade selection. Now upgrade process will start. It will upgrade all the dependency here, and we can see all dependency and project will be upgraded to .NET 9.0. You can see it is showing the green icon here. Here you can see complete 6 succeeded, 0 failed, 47 skipped. Now let's see the project version. Here we can see we don't have target framework 9.0 is selected. Why it is not coming? Because my Visual Studio 2022 is in older version. So we have to upgrade this Visual Studio 2022. To update Visual Studio 2022 to latest version, we have to go to help menu and then select check for update. Here Visual Studio installer will open and it will check for update. Here you can see my current version is 17.9.6, but version is 17.14.6. So now I will upgrade my Visual Studio 2022. Let's click on update. It will start downloading the dependency and update my Visual Studio 2022. Let it happen So wait for the installation. So first it will update the Visual Studio installer, and then we will get this message because I have not closed Visual Studio application. You can see here, save your work before continuing. We need to close the following process. Now let's click on continue. It will close the Visual Studio and it will start downloading our update and it will install our package. Okay. Now installation is completed and Visual Studio 2020 is restarted. I have not started my Visual Studio 2020 because when we click on continue, it closes our application, and after completion of upgrade, it opens the Visual Studio 2022. Okay, and also it will open the project where it is closed. Now if we go to property, then we can see .NET 9.0 target framework version is selected. Now let's build it. You can see build succeeded. Okay, now let's run and see. You can see our application is working fine. Okay, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.